it. Okay, that's all I know we got a fish there. Oh, fish on. Got him. Got him, guys. Okay guys, so we're ice fishing out here again. It doesn't look very safe, but it's low and all the mud been kicked up. But way over there, it's like a few miles long, a mile long. There's open water, but here we're good. It's like a few feet ice. So we're gonna go trout fishing today. Trout. Don't remember last time we went trout fishing. Like a year ago. Rainbow trout. Let's see. Hey guys, we got a trout on. Pretty sure? Yep, got him. Got a trout on, guys. Oh, he's coming up the hole. He's a baby. Oh no, just a normal one. Normal. For sure. Oh guys, we got him. Do you see him? Oh no, this guy just tipped over. Oh my gosh, we got one though. Okay, I'll show you. We'll film one in somewhere. Sorry for all this. But we got one on the flag. Okay guys, I got a trout on. Oh, he raced up after it. Oh, nice trout. Okay guys, pretty sure we have a fish on here. Pretty sure. I don't want to take him too fast. Oh, I got him. Got him, guys. Fish on. He doesn't act very big, but I got him. Oh, he's a nice one. Oh, got him. Got him, guys. Oh gosh, he even moved my rock. Whoa, he's big. Caught him on a power bait swordtail. Oh, it's big. Oh, nice trout. Oh, it's big. Oh, nice trout. Oh. What? Let him go. Yes. This is what I was using. Power bait bottom. And this thing. Yeah, that's what they see. Okay guys, so we got a slip bobber down. Hit. Oh, we got him. Got him, guys. There's the slip bobber. Or the bobber. Oh, there we go. Nice flip. Oh.